guys. Day 2. Mukbang instead. Now we have a mukbang, which is the hot dogs and eggs, but I like unsalted eggs. Mama, did I like unsalted eggs? So
I
what?
forgot to remind Papa.
Next time, don't worry. Okay?
Does it have?
Yeah.
Ketchup, with ketchup.
Papa will buy hands again.
Makatangsa. Tomorrow you want the keto burger as pasalubong? Hmm?
Pagkain pa rin ba sa kong Kim?
Yung end of May po yun.
Sure?
Non-salted eggs taste good, but there's no crunch to it.
The what?
The salted eggs.
Dapat na mas crunchy kasi may salt. Next time I will remind Papa you want tostado and no salt.
Okay, I will. Don't worry.
I like the crunch. I'm feeling it and I'm feeling it. This is the how much price the one I just got. So I'm standing here with beer.
Nagkakit ang gadgets mo today.
Okay.
No extension stands.
Okay. Where's that?
Ate.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because what did you give her?
Bag.
A bag?
Mm-hmm.
For school?
For school and for her sports.
Because her school is near, is coming near daw.
Mm-hmm.
Ay, mas yun.
Ooh, I'll have a lot to papa.
May mango ka if yun.
Okay.
Tapos ano pa siya? Album pa.
Pag gusto mo yung ulam, bilis mo kumain.
If Papa changes pound, I'll give you this. Okay ba yan? Okay. But you have to study well, okay? Hmm?
Dami ng kainin natin.
Kasi Papa CJ gave ate his iPhone.
Kaso mo.
Bilis ah.
Pa. Very good.
Faster than both of you finishing those hot dogs.
Yeah. Doon na papak the egg.
Yeah.
Tusok mo. In the middle. I'll cut the eggs na para ko yung ano. Get it na lang. Just fork, not your hands.
Ha?
Why?
Bakit 20 mil?
Ang alin?
Brillante.
20K?
Oo.
Nag-increase nga. Tingnan mo. Ganyan dito yung mama from 1 something na ganito. May mga additional. Yung nag-viral nga sa FB.
Ito actually busog.
Nagbusog nga. Ay, gina-egg pa.
Later.
Mm.
Okay. So, well, bye.